Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to open a Google form with a different account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up the official Google Docs website for Google Forms right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is going to be the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where in the upper right corner we can get started. So basically guys, this is the main page from which we can get started with opening up any forms. If you do not already have a form, you can go ahead and create a new one from the plus sign right here. It's going to look like this with an untitled form. Once you have opened a form, it's going to probably look like this. It doesn't matter if you created it or somebody else. It's going to have a name. As you can see here, I have my tutorial form for a video with questions, answers, and so on. And now let's say we opened up a form that we want to answer, but we want to answer it with a different account than the one we are currently using. Basically guys, it's very easy. All you have to do just in this main page of Google Forms is go right here to the upper right corner, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, and then this is going to open up your settings for Google accounts. So basically there is going to be a button that says to sign out from your Google account and just log in to the normal account that you want to fill out the form for. Sometimes directly right here in the form it's going to enable you to choose the account that you want to use. Click choose account from your email address, and then you can choose which email address you want to use for filling out the form. This is going to enable you to change your accounts when filling out forms and opening it up. So you can just follow the steps I have showed you right here easily, and you'll be able to do it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.